So nagpagawa si IBP Davao og statement regarding the arrest of our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Basahon ang pinaka-important na parts. So the Philippines is a sovereign nation that upholds the Constitution and laws. So while international treaties play a role in promoting global justice, they must always respect national sovereignty and recognize the capacity of individual nations to enforce their own laws. Under the Rome Statute, the ICC intervenes only when a state is unwilling or unable to prosecute crimes. However, the Philippines withdrew from the ICC effective March 17, 2019, which means that as a non-member state, it is no longer bound by its obligations. So, eto. So, while it can be argued that the ICC retains jurisdiction over past crimes committed before March 16, 2019, prior to the Philippine withdrawal, any attempt to enforce its orders would still depend on the cooperation of ICC state parties. Eto, while we respect the international legal mechanisms, we likewise reaffirm that the ICC cannot unilaterally impose obligations upon a non-member state, nor should it be used to undermine the Philippine legal system. We urge the government to firmly assert our national sovereignty while ensuring that justice is pursued in accordance with our Constitution and domestic laws. So, para mas masabtan noon sa ning national sovereignty, kay sige magbalik-balik o sa national sovereignty, this affirms states' independence and authority to govern their domestic jurisdiction. So, buot pasabot, guys, ang Pilipinas or our justice system, kung wala man napungkol ang ato ang justice system, in which wa magita napungkol, guys, kay sakto man ato ang justice system karon, dapat dili mag-intervene si ICC. Kasi we have a working justice system here in the Philippines. Okay ang ato ang courts diri sa Pilipinas. So question, ngano nakalusot man ning ICC? Ngano man ning ICC na adria? Matingala pa mo kinsa ang pakanaan